Today we're gonna be doing a range anxiety test. We'll be heading to Moranbah, but there's a problem. There isn't a single EV charger in the Pitdowns highway. It's about 400-kilometer trip, so we put the battery in full charge, 100%. But can we make it back, or are we gonna call a tow truck? So we use the ABRP to plan our trip. So we'll start from Gregory Street in Mackay. So we hit the road from Gordon Street, and then to play it safe, we decided to go in full survival mode. So we turn off all the AC, lane assist, no luxuries basically. And then we're heading to the Eaton Range. So Eaton Range sort of took about 2% of our battery charge from the bottom to the top. So currently we're at 65%. So we get to a roadworks as well. But this one took a bit of battery charge, doing nothing. So we're past Nebel Town at the moment, and then here we are near the turn off for Moranbah. You can see on the right there's a BP gas station, but there's no EV charger here. So we made it to Moranbah with about 56% state of charge. But the math is tight for return leg, obviously. So we're gonna do a quick property inspection down here. So after a quick property inspection, it's time to see if the downhill run back home will save us. So on the way back we took a bit of a gamble. We turned everything back on, all the luxuries. Why? Because gravity is our friend. So we're now on the Eaton Range truck stop, and you will see the big truck over there on the side, the wide load. And then coming down the Eaton Range actually give us probably about less than 1% battery charge. And going downhill has a pretty good view of the Mackay area, and there's a lookout at the top as well if you have time. You can drop by over there. And so 10% warning, traction battery low. And currently we're at 5% charge, which is on the ring road. And finally we're in Mackay. We've got another warning at 3%. You can see the output power reduced. Now we're heading towards the Pioneer River. We're still at 3% charge at this stage. The whole trip was about 397 kilometers, and we have about 2% of battery charge left, and then 14 kilometers of range. So all in all, a bit of a learning from that trip. So if we did use all the luxuries and aircon too much going to Maramba, I believe we won't be able to make it back. We were able to come back just, so we will got about 2% left, so we nearly didn't make it. So definitely Mackay to Maramba will need at least one charge in between, or maybe somewhere in Copacabana, or maybe in Maramba as well.